Good morning, friends. Today on PD classes, we are here with an interview session from Mr. Abhishek, who is here for since last 2 days, I think. Mr. Abhishek is aiming for some accounting job, and today we have various questions regarding accounting also. So I think you would be benefited from this. So,
Yes,
are you comfortable with
yes,
your
ma'am.
seat? Yes. So, first of all, I would like to introduce yourself.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Abhishek. My name means purification. I am very much similar to my name, as I believe that 1 ounce of loyalty is worth more than a pound of cleverness. I belong to Sri Ganganagar, which is also known as Food Basket of Rajasthan. I am a commerce graduate with first division from Maharaja Ganga Singh University, and throughout my schooling, I have remained a distinction holder. I am a jovial person, and I like to entertain the people. My hobbies are meeting new people, exploring new places, and reading the motivational stuff. My strengths are I am an honest person, punctual, and hardworking person. I am a competitive person and I love challenges. I am a team spirit person as I don't try to hog the entire credit. I want to be a successful banker, and my friends call me versatile personality because of my adjustable nature.
Okay, Mr. Abhishek, you told me you are versatile nature. So can you justify all of the strengths you have? As you have told me, you have various strengths. तो क्या आप उसको
Yes, ma'am.
justify कर सकते हैं?
As I stated, I am an honest person. So recently I went to the market and I purchased something, and as I was about to complete the deal, the owner told me the price. Owner told me the price which was not correct, and he was getting the loss of 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
It was a deal of 50,000, and I told him that you are telling me the less price. So I told him that.
That's great, Mr. Abhishek. We require certain such persons in the field of accounting also,
ma'am.
I think. So we have various questions from the same field you are opting for.
Okay, ma'am.
What do you mean by a mutual fund?
Mutual fund, ma'am, means when the number of persons are investing their money through the professional investors, in which those persons who don't have the experience regarding the share market and the debt debentures also,
Yeah.
they are not having a good experience, so they give their money to the professional investors. They invest their money on their behalf, and then the profit is distributed.
Okay.
So it is a diversification of funds as well.
Okay. So you told me you have obtained a distinction every time in your education.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me about your education percentage? What have you gained throughout the
Yes,
years?
ma'am. In the 10th class, I got 79.40%, and in the 12th class, I got 75%.
Very nice.
And for that, I have also been given a laptop from the government of Rajasthan.
Oh, very nice, very nice. What is sir MSF?
MSF stands for Margining Standing Facility. It means, and it is the rate which was introduced by the RBI in the year of 2011-12, which was introduced because of the RBI, because when the commercial banks obtain money from the RBI, then they have to pay a certain percentage
Okay.
for the short term. But this rate is slightly higher than the repo rate, and it has been linked to the repo rate. As the repo rate reduces or increases, the MSF rate also varies according to it.
Okay. So there's a personal question to you now.
Okay.
You told me that you have visited a lot many places. Where have you been the latest one?
Ma'am, recently I went to Delhi.
Okay.
And Chandigarh as-
What do you find different about Delhi as compared to your place of living?
Delhi is more modernized as compared to Sri Ganganagar,
Okay.
and their lifestyle also varies.
Okay. What just about lifestyle, or did you find any kind of modern techniques that are wearing over there and at your place?
Yes, ma'am. Like we are in Sri Ganganagar, we used to eat domestic food at home, but in cities like Delhi, Chandigarh, people are preferring now like Zomato, Swiggy and all that.
It has also started in Ganganagar.
Yes,
I think.
ma'am.
Okay. What is trade war, sir?
Trade war is, ma'am, like when a country imposes additional tariffs on another country with an objective to damage their economy. So it is called trade war. In trade war, it is stated by the IMF that it will bring a loss of $600 billion to the global GDP.
Okay. Sir, today I have got lot many questions. I am using my phone to do the same.
Okay.
What is the check discount, sir?
Check discount.
Yeah.
Check discount when a bank, when a person having a check for a period of later on, the bank provide a facility for it. He can withdraw the check before that period, but he has to pay some amount for it
Okay.
to the bank.
Okay. Is every bank providing the same service?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, can you tell me what is a bill purchase?
Bill purchase.
Bill purchase.
No, ma'am. I'm not aware of it.
Okay, you must go on to these questions for your
Okay.
better enhancement.
Okay.
Okay, sir, can you tell me what is retail banking?
Retail banking is a banking in which the banking services are being provided to the individuals, like small and medium organizations as well,
Okay.
like internet banking, NEFT, RTGS, etc.
Okay. Sir, along with this, I would like to ask, what is the reason we should hire you?
Ma'am, I am a dedicated person and I am also a hardworking person. You can easily rely on me as I have worked anywhere. The people, I have a good bonding with them as well.
Okay. So you means you believe in cooperation, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Sir, can you tell me what are the different types of loans offered by a commercial bank?
Yes, ma'am. There are various types of loan being provided by the banks, like auto vehicles loans, education loan, home loan, and for the corporate loans, etc.
Okay, okay. Sir, that means there are some startup loans also. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
If somebody approaches you to give to ask you about the startup loan, so how would you define him? Or how would you tell him कि इसकी ये percentage rates of interest है? Can you please tell me?
Yes, ma'am. I can explain. If a person is about to start the startup, first of all, I would see what kind of startup it is and how much good it is.
Okay.
Whether it is practical or just on the paper as well.
Okay. That
And
means
the-
there are some people who just come for the sake of getting money or loan
Yes,
from
ma'am.
the bank. It is shown on the paper, not in the society.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And the interest rates will be varies according to the time period.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, suppose somebody comes to you who is not actually, you find him, he is not actually efficient enough to be given as a loan.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose he is showing it on papers and you have someone calling you up, suppose a minister or somebody else, and asks you कि आपको तो ये करना ही होगा. So what would be your step in that case?
Ma'am, I will go with my professional logarithms.
Okay,
I
very
will
good.
not go with the higher authority.
Very nice, very good, sir. So what do you mean? How can you differentiate between accounting and auditing?
Accounting means you are recording the daily transactions of a business, and auditing is the process which is done after the accounting. That means in auditing we are checking that whether whatever we have recorded is being done in the right manner or not.
Okay, sir. So we are selecting you, suppose, as for the post of a higher officer, I would say, for
Okay.
PO and all. So at first, you tell me, if somebody as a user of the bank, suppose I am your customer and I
Okay.
approach to you that particular person of your bank is not helping me out. I have given a form to change my phone number so many times, but he is not responding to it.
Okay.
It is my third time when I am visiting your bank.
Okay.
So how would you deal with the situation?
First of all, I will personally look the matter and call that particular employee and give him the directions,
Okay.
so that our customer जो है वो खराब ना हो.
Okay, good. So, but sometimes it happens कि I take permission from one of the authorities. I am not able to come by 4 o'clock. So, please sir, allow me to use my locker after 4 o'clock. Is it possible?
No, ma'am. It is not possible. Locker facility is available in the banking hours only.
So, but if somebody has allowed me and you come to know about this, what step would you take?
I would discuss with my seniors.
Okay. And if you are the most senior one in your class, in your, I would say, in your bank, you have all the authorities, whatever is to be done.
Then I will look at per the situation, ma'am.
You will take certain strict measures against him or what?
Ma'am, we cannot take the strict measures.
Okay. That means you are bound. If somebody is helping or doing it in the non-bank hours, you will have to do with the same.
Ma'am, it depends on the situation.
Suppose the situation is this: you are the one who is the most senior. You have all the authorities. Still, वो person 4 बजे के बाद he is allowing the customers to use locker on his own behalf without asking you.
Then I will stop him from doing that.
Okay, sir. So what is the difference between provision and reserve?
Provision means expenses. That means we have kept some money aside for the future expenses, and the reserve means the profits. The reserves are generally the parts of profit which we are keeping for the future perspectives.
Okay, it is on the it is actually on the part of a customer or what?
It is on the part of the business.
Okay. Sir, differentiate between CC and OD, please.
CC stands for cash credit and OD stands for overdraft. CC and OD are basically differentiated on the basis of the purpose. Basically, CC and OD both are provided for the short term, but as I stated, the basic of the difference is purpose. CC is basically for the working capital, and the overdraft can be used for any other objectives as well.
Okay. So, what are the different types of fixed deposits?
Ma'am, there are 3 types of fixed deposit: FD, RD, and
Sir, actually there are 2 types, no?
okay.
Okay.
FD and RD.
Yeah. So, what is check endorsing?
Check endorsing means you are favoring the check in a third party.
Okay. And what is check cancellation, sir?
Check cancellation means there is some situation that the check has been issued for a wrong person, or the person does not have the sufficient fund in the account, so that the check does not get
Bounce.
so that they get bounced.
Okay. Sir, have you heard the term usury?
Kya ma'am?
Usury. USURY.
No, ma'am. I'm not aware.
Sir, it is that when a loan is charged with high interest rate
Okay.
illegally, then it is referred as usury. So, does it happen usually in a bank?
No, ma'am. If
We have to go with
norms. Ma'am.
norms. Okay.
Usually is being done generally in the
Private sector,
unorganized sector.
unorganized sectors. That okay. So, what does LIBOR stand for?
LIBOR means London Interbank Offered Rate.
Very nice, sir. So, what is charge off?
Yes, ma'am.
Charge off.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, it is a declaration by a lender to a borrower for non-payment of the remaining amount. Okay. So, will you please let me know branches of accounting, please?
Yes, ma'am. There are 3 branches of accounting: cost accounting, management accounting, and investment accounting.
Okay. You are down with your confidence level, or it is getting up good?
It is getting increased.
By your face, I think you are tired of. I think.
No, ma'am.
Okay then. So I myself don't know about what is GST. As a layman, अगर आपको मुझे समझाना पड़े कि GST क्या है,
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want a perfect definition. एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल चाहिए GST का.
GST is a tax. Like GST is an indirect tax which is imposed on a person who is actually using the good. First of all, previously we have the VAT, sales tax, which was the cascading of taxes. That means you consumer have to pay the tax on tax.
Okay.
Now in the GST there is a single rate, so there is a reduction in the tax limits.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are the different types of ledger?
Yes, ma'am. There are 3 types of ledger: general ledger, debtors ledger, and creditors ledger.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is can you explain something about Article 370, please?
Yes, ma'am. Article 370 was recently in news. It is the article of our constitution which gives the special powers to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now this article have been removed by the
What kind of special powers, sir?
special powers in terms of monetary benefits, like we have given the special permits about the taxes. We yes, ma'am, and we also have given the special powers to the citizens of Jammu and Kashmir about that they can only purchase the lands in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
Yes,
None
ma'am.
others can purchase the
ma'am.
land in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, explain fictitious assets, please.
Yes, ma'am. Fictitious assets are those assets that we cannot touch itself. These also can be intangible assets like goodwill and trademark, patent, etc.
Sir, other than this, I would like you to describe depreciation and its various methods, sir.
Depreciation means a reduction in the value of asset by the time, and it has two types of calculating it. First is written down value, and the second is straight line method.
Sir, what is COFI?
CO?
FI, Cost of Funds Index. Do you know about it?
No.
What does ACH stand for?
What? No.
ACH stand for.
No.
Have you heard about automated clearing house?
Yes, ma'am.
It is ACH.
Okay.
Acha. It was, I think I have covered almost every question. No, we are left with one also.
Okay.
What is FDI and FII?
FDI stands for foreign direct investment, and FII stands for foreign institutional investment. FDI basically for the long term. One cannot easily enter or exit in the case of FDI, and in case of FII one can easily enter or exit whenever they want.
Sir, I think you have done it very well. I have taken questions from people around, and I think you have answered many of them very correctly.
Okay.
Sir, one personal question, please. How do you find being on PD classes?
I'm feeling very well,
Okay.
and when I came here I was hoping that इस बार हो जाएगा,
Okay. And now you
because
are
I was following the videos of PD classes by Manoj Sharma sir.
Okay.
And when I came here I joined him, and now it is my third day.
Yeah.
And my
I
confidence.
myself is finding you very much confident. और
Okay.
आपके, I think your parents must be also feeling the same, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So thank you so much, sir, Abhishek sir.
Oh.
And for you all, I think this much session would have been very nice.